The 1960s was a transformative decade for the automobile industry, and Plymouth was at the forefront of this revolution with its blend of style, performance, and innovation. As a passionate collector, I've dedicated years to understanding and preserving the beauty and history of Plymouth automobiles from this era. Here, I share my insights into the exterior and interior features of these classic vehicles. The 1960 Fury featured a bold and futuristic design, characterized by its large tail fins, which were a hallmark of the late 1950s and early 1960s. The front grille was a defining feature, with its wide, horizontal slats and integrated headlights, giving the car a menacing yet elegant look. Sharp, sweeping lines ran along the sides of the car, enhancing its aerodynamic appeal. Plymouth offered a range of vibrant colors, including two-tone options that accentuated the car's contours and styling cues. The Barracuda's fastback roofline was revolutionary, providing a sporty appearance that set it apart from other compact cars. One of the most distinctive features was its large, wraparound rear glass window, which offered unparalleled rear visibility and a unique aesthetic. The grille and headlight arrangement were more streamlined compared to earlier models, featuring a cleaner, more modern look. The Barracuda came with various wheel designs, including stylish hubcaps and optional alloy wheels. The Roadrunner exemplified the muscle car ethos with its aggressive stance, wide track, and muscular body lines. The Roadrunner name and cartoon bird graphics were prominently displayed, adding a playful yet fierce character to the car. Functional hood scoops were a notable feature, hinting at the powerful engine lurking beneath. High-impact colors like vitamin C, orange, and sassy grass green made the Roadrunner stand out on the streets. The Fury's dashboard was a blend of function and style, featuring a wide, sweeping design with an array of gauges and controls. High-quality materials, including chrome accents and soft-touch plastics, were used throughout the interior. Plush, bench-style seats were standard, offering ample space and comfort for passengers. The instrument cluster included large, easy-to-read dials for speed, fuel, and engine temperature, with optional extras like a clock and tachometer. The Roadrunner's interior was designed for performance driving, with a minimalist yet functional layout. Standard bench seats were practical, but optional bucket seats provided better support for spirited driving. A large 3-spoke steering wheel was standard, giving the driver a firm grip and control. The gauges were large and easy to read, with additional options like a tachometer and auxiliary gauges for oil pressure and battery voltage. The 1968 Fury featured a bold and futuristic, more flat-sided design. The large tail fins were history, which were a hallmark from the mid-decade. The front grille was a defining feature, with its vertical headlights and sharp lines. Sharp, sweeping lines ran along the sides of the car, enhancing its modern aerodynamic appeal. Colors: Plymouth offered a range of vibrant colors. Two-tone options were also of the past. In conclusion, the 1960s were a golden era for Plymouth, with each model year bringing innovative designs and features that captivated car enthusiasts. From the sleek lines and tail fins of the 1960 Fury to the sporty fastback of the Barracuda and the muscular stance of the Roadrunner, Plymouth cars from this decade remain highly sought after by collectors. The interiors, with their blend of comfort and functionality, complement the striking exteriors, making these vehicles true icons of their time. As a collector, I cherish the opportunity to preserve and share the legacy of these remarkable automobiles. Each Plymouth model from the 1960s tells a story of a bygone era, reflecting the spirit and innovation of its time. Whether cruising down the highway or displayed at a car show, these classic cars continue to turn heads and capture hearts, just as they did over half a century ago.